Y'all, don't judge me, but this is what my hair. So if you haven't already seen by the title of the video, I'm going to use the ApHogee hair strengthening kit. It is supposed to restore severely damaged hair. Now, I don't have severely damaged hair, but my hair has been going through it because I just haven't been in the mood to do my hair, y'all. Like, I don't know if it's the weather, the summer heat, but my hair is not cooperating no matter what I do. And I know it's growing, and that may be a factor of why my texture and everything is changing, but I don't like it. So I'm this close. I keep telling everybody I'm this close to cutting my hair again. Like this close, because it is a two-step treatment. The first treatment is the strengthening treatment with amino acids blend, and then the second treatment is the protective moisturizer. It has vitamins and humectants in it, and here you go, you can see it again. So it's supposed to restore even severely damaged hair. Like I said, my hair is getting there because I haven't been taking care of it. It is 2-3 fluid ounce tubes or bottles, and it's supposed to last, depending on the type and care regimen, benefits will last 2 to 3 weeks per application. So it says you're only supposed to use a small amount. I'm gonna see how that works because I'm heavy-handed. So let's get started. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my hair and the conditions that it's in, so do not judge me, please. Sorry if I look a little stuffy or a little puffy in the face. It's early in the morning. I wanted to go ahead and get this video started. So y'all, don't judge me, but this is what my hair has been looking like for the past week. Like, it's dirty, it's dry. Now I can say it shouldn't be too bad. It's not too bad, but like I said, my texture is changing. I don't know if it's because of the weather, but I just got a trim maybe last month, I believe. So that really helped my hair because it was, before the trim, it was really struggling. So if you notice your hair is changing and it's not looking right in the go-to protective styles or the wash and goes that you usually do, then I would recommend you get a trim. Okay, a trim can save your hair. A correct trim can save your hair down the line for the long run. Okay, so I'm happy I did get a trim, but I wish I would have got it sooner, but it is what it is. I have been experiencing some breakage, and it's mainly because I've been keeping my hair pulled down into a bun. So like, buns can be a protective style, but they can also break your hair off by pulling it down or pulling it up. So just be aware. So this treatment, like I said, is supposed to be a strengthening treatment. It's supposed to improve the strength and texture, prepare the hair for color services, which I'm not getting anymore, combat split ends and hair loss due to breakage. So I need this. I got this from Sally's Beauty Supply. It was, let's see, $18.29. With taxes, I paid $20.06. So it's supposed to last you 2 to 3 weeks depending on your hair type and texture and how much you use. But according to the directions, it says you only need to use a small amount. So that goes. So I'm going to go ahead and wash my hair because the treatment says to apply to clean towel dried hair. So I'm gonna go do that and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so I go in by applying the product in sections. When applying this product, you have to work really quickly because the product does dry really fast. So I just go ahead and twist up each section as I complete it. And as far as the amount used, I could not use a little bit like the directions said. I of course had to go in with a little extra because of the length and texture and type of my hair. And when applying this product, you want to make sure that you get your problem areas the most, or you want to make sure you at least have that area saturated. And for me, my problem areas would be my ends and the top of my head. Okay, so now I'm going in with step 2, and for this product I used a little more than I did with the step 1 product because this product is more of a moisturizer. So it's only sitting on your hair for 1 minute. I just wanted to make sure that I got the product throughout my hair and I made sure that everything was moisturized. And of course, you can always just go ahead and start applying the product without using sections. But for me, I feel like working in sections is easier and faster to apply the product. Okay, so this is my hair after the treatment. It feels moisturized. It doesn't feel dry. So it says to dry and style as usual. So I will be right back with my hair styled. So this is the final product after styling my hair with a styler or a moisturizer that I used, and I can honestly say that my hair looks and feels better than it did about a week ago. This treatment is supposed to last about 2 to 3 weeks, so I will be sure to give you guys an update. As always, I want to thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you again.